Hey, what is going on guys? Tech enthusiast here, and this is the Antutu benchmark comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 9 against the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So we have the Snapdragon 855 going up against the Exynos 9810. Both of these phones have 6GB of RAM, and the rest of the specs you can see on these sides. Just how good is the Snapdragon 855? Let's find out in this video. So the Mi 9 finished first, and that was by about 40 seconds, and it also scored the highest. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the Mi 9 scored high on every single category, and that's thanks to the Snapdragon 855 CPU. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. There will be camera comparisons, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.